Got a classic Mercury outboard from the late 60s to early 80s. Then this wire harness from GOTBITOU might just be what you need to breathe new life into your boat. This isn't some universal, fits nothing perfectly kind of deal. This harness is specifically designed for Mercury engines from 1968 to 1981, covering 2, 4, and 6-cylinder models. The key here is compatibility. GOTBITOU lists a whole bunch of OEM numbers: 470 495 50, 330 220 803, and a few others. Definitely cross-reference these with your existing harness or your engine's manual to make sure it's the right fit. Nobody wants to spend an afternoon wrestling with the wrong part. Now, at first glance, a wire harness might not seem like the most exciting thing to talk about. But think about it. This is the nervous system of your engine. A faulty or corroded harness can lead to all sorts of headaches, from misfires to complete engine failure. Replacing it with a new one can seriously improve reliability and performance. GOTBITOU emphasizes that this harness is a direct replacement. That means it should plug right in without any modifications. That's always a good thing. The listed dimensions are tiny, but don't let that fool you. The package weighs in at 1 kilogram, so it's definitely a substantial piece of equipment. They also offer a 1-year warranty, which is reassuring. It shows they stand behind their product. And if you do run into any snags, they promise to respond within 24 hours. Customer support can be a lifesaver when you're elbow-deep in engine grease. Overall, this wire harness seems like a solid option for anyone restoring or maintaining a classic Mercury outboard. Just double-check those part numbers, and you should be good to go. It's a worthwhile investment to keep your vintage engine purring like new.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.